The National Electrical Code, specifically the 2023 edition, addresses whether residential equipment like furnaces and condenser units should be hardwired or connected via cord and plug. A hardwired connection is generally preferred for several reasons. According to NEC section 440.62a, equipment requiring more than 30 amps shall be permanently connected without the use of attachment plugs and cords. NEC section 440.41b states that electric furnaces require permanent wiring, and NEC section 440.22 specifies that central air conditioning equipment shall be permanently connected. There are several reasons for these requirements. Firstly, safety. Hard wiring provides a more secure electrical connection, reducing the risk of loose connections, sparking, and electrical fires. Secondly, code compliance. Hard wiring is mandated by the NEC for equipment that exceeds specific amperage ratings. Thirdly, reliability. Hardwired connections are less susceptible to damage or accidental disconnection, ensuring consistent operation of the equipment. Fourthly, warranty. Some manufacturers may stipulate hard wiring as a prerequisite for equipment warranty coverage. However, there are exceptions where cord and plug connections may be permissible. One exception involves temporary installations. This applies to equipment intended for short-term use before removal. Another exception is small equipment. This pertains to equipment with amperage ratings below 30 amps, such as window units or portable heaters. A third exception includes equipment with integral cord sets, referring to appliances designed with a permanent cord and plug, like dehumidifiers or air purifiers. Always verify local electrical codes and seek guidance from a licensed electrician to ascertain specific requirements for your location. The rationale behind favoring hardwired connections for equipment like furnaces and air conditioners stems from ensuring a safer and more reliable electrical supply. A permanent connection minimizes the chances of accidental disconnections, which could lead to equipment malfunction or even hazardous situations. Hardwiring also offers a superior level of protection against tampering or unauthorized alterations to the electrical system. When it comes to high amperage appliances, the NEC prioritizes permanent connections to prevent overloading circuits and to reduce the risk of electrical fires caused by faulty connections. While cord and plug connections provide convenience and flexibility, they are not suitable for equipment that draws significant amounts of power. The NEC provides specific guidelines for determining whether an appliance should be hardwired or plugged in. These guidelines take into account factors such as the appliance's power consumption, the voltage and amperage of the electrical circuit, and the intended use of the appliance. It's also crucial to consider local electrical codes, which may have additional requirements or restrictions that differ from the NEC. A qualified electrician can help you navigate the complexities of electrical codes and ensure that your appliances are connected safely and correctly. When installing or replacing electrical equipment, it's always best to err on the side of caution and choose a hardwired connection whenever possible. This will provide the greatest level of safety, reliability, and compliance with electrical codes. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it's never a good idea to attempt it yourself unless you have the necessary skills and experience. Always hire a licensed electrician to handle any electrical installations or repairs in your home. They have the training and expertise to ensure that the work is done safely and correctly, protecting you and your family from potential hazards. When selecting an electrician, be sure to check their credentials and ask for references. A reputable electrician will be happy to provide proof of their qualifications and a list of satisfied customers. Don't be afraid to ask questions and get multiple quotes before making a decision. By taking the time to do your research and choose the right electrician, you can ensure that your electrical work is done to the highest standards of safety and quality. In addition to hard wiring and cord and plug connections, there are other ways to connect electrical equipment, such as using junction boxes or conduit. These methods offer varying degrees of flexibility and protection, and the best choice will depend on the specific application and the requirements of the electrical code. Junction boxes provide a convenient way to splice wires and make connections within an electrical system. They are typically used in concealed locations, such as inside walls or ceilings, and they must be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. Conduit is a type of tubing used to protect electrical wiring from damage and moisture. It is commonly used in exposed locations, such as basements or garages, and it provides a durable and reliable way to route electrical cables. When using junction boxes or conduit, it's important to follow all applicable electrical codes and to use the correct fittings and connectors. Improperly installed junction boxes or conduit can create fire hazards or electrical shock risks. Again, a qualified electrician can help you choose the right wiring method for your needs and ensure that it is installed safely and correctly. Always remember that electricity is a powerful force, and it should be treated with respect. Never attempt to work on electrical equipment without first disconnecting the power supply, and always use appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, it's always best to consult with a licensed electrician. They can provide expert advice and ensure that your electrical system is safe, reliable, and up to code. Hardwiring HVAC equipment offers enhanced protection against electrical fires. Secure connections minimize sparking and overheating. Cord connections may loosen, posing fire risks. Code-compliant hardwiring ensures safer operation. Reliability increases with permanent connections. Damage and disconnections are less likely. Warranties often mandate hardwiring. Check manufacturer requirements for coverage. Temporary setups allow cord connections. Short-term use equipment can use plugs. Small appliances under 30 amps are often plugged. Window units and heaters are examples. Integral cord sets are acceptable. Dehumidifiers and air purifiers are designed this way. Local codes vary, consult a pro. Electrical requirements depend on location. NEC guidelines provide general rules. Local regulations may add or differ. Licensed electricians offer expertise. They ensure safe and compliant installations. Permanent connections are generally safer. Minimize risks with hardwired setups. Amperage ratings dictate wiring method. High-amp equipment requires hard wiring. Circuit overloading can cause fires. Prevent overloads with proper wiring. Safety trumps convenience in electrical work. Prioritize safety when choosing connections. Tampering with wiring is dangerous. Prevent unauthorized access to connections. Electrical codes are for your protection. Follow codes to avoid hazards. Improper wiring voids warranties. Ensure compliance for valid coverage. Junction boxes require proper grounding. Grounding prevents electrical shock risks. Conduit protects wiring from damage. Use conduit in exposed locations. Fittings and connectors must be correct. And proper installation is a fire hazard. Safety gear is essential for electrical work. Gloves and eye protection are necessary. Disconnect power before working on circuits. Prevent electrical shock by cutting power. Electricity demands respect and caution. Treat electrical systems with care. Qualified electricians are worth the cost. Expertise ensures safe and reliable work. Check electrician credentials and references. Ensure qualifications and good reputation. Multiple quotes help you find the best price. Research and compare before hiring. Err on the side of caution with wiring. Choose hard wiring whenever possible. Power consumption affects wiring needs. Higher power demands hard-wired connections. Voltage and amperage impact wiring choices. Match wiring to circuit specifications. Intended use influences wiring type. Consider usage patterns when wiring. Follow all codes and guidelines. Compliance ensures safety and legality. Ignoring codes can have serious consequences. Don't risk your safety or property. Electrical fires can be devastating. Prevent fires with proper wiring. Electrical shock can be fatal. Protect yourself with safety precautions. Electrical systems require regular inspection. Identify and fix potential problems. Maintenance prevents major issues. Keep your electrical system in good shape. Hardwiring offers long-term benefits, reduced risks and increased reliability. Consider the total cost of wiring. Include safety and long-term value. Choose quality components for wiring. Reliable parts ensure lasting performance. Hardwiring improves home safety. Protect your family from electrical hazards. Consider future electrical needs. Plan for growth and expansion. Consult with an electrician for planning. Expert advice can save time and money. Electrical work is not a DIY project. Hire professionals for safety and quality. Avoid shortcuts in electrical wiring. Don't compromise safety or reliability. Building permits may be required for wiring. Check local regulations then obtain permits. Inspections ensure compliance with codes. Pass inspections to validate your work. Professional electricians handle permits. They manage the process for you. Hardwiring supports home value. Safe and reliable systems increase value. Upgrade wiring to modern standards. Improve safety and performance. Older wiring systems can be dangerous. Replace outdated wiring for safety. Aluminum wiring poses special risks. Consult an electrician about aluminum wiring. Knob and tube wiring is outdated. Replace it with modern wiring. Ground fault circuit interrupters are essential. GFCI outlets protect from electrical shock. Arc fault circuit interrupters prevent fires. SI breakers detect dangerous arcs. Surge protection safeguards electronics. Protect valuable devices from surges. Whole house surge protectors are ideal. Protect your entire electrical system. Educate your family about electrical safety. Teach children about electrical hazards. Post emergency contact information. Keep it visible near the electrical panel. Know where your electrical panel is located. Familiarize yourself with your electrical system. Label circuits clearly in the panel. Make it easy to identify circuits. Use a multimeter to test circuits. Learn basic electrical testing skills. Electrical safety courses are valuable. Enhance your knowledge and skills. Continuous learning ensures safety. Stay up to date on electrical codes.